Electric energy, high tech, artificial intelligence, what make dreams come true? Over 20 years, integrating global resources, 5 global R&D centers, in China, Europe, Middle East, North America, South America, world-class innovation, autonomous driving, new energy, winning the future, leading China's auto industry forward, creating new platforms, new energy platforms, quality, technology, design. Each step created records in the history. Automotive technology innovation. The first automaker to realize intelligent transformation, integrated advanced technologies,